The Aam Aadmi Party polling agent seems to be protesting already, and this is now being reported at Tilak Marg, where the mock polling conducted by the agents in absence, that has now been protested. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party agents, that now seems to be questioning the mock polling process. What's happening, Tetri?
Well, yes, that's an update that we are picking up from College of Art at Tilak Marg, and in fact from this particular polling booth, what we are picking up that the Aam Aadmi Party workers, are in fact saying that the mock drill, in fact the mock polling took place in their absence, and in fact yesterday, in fact at night also we saw that there was high voltage drama till 2 a.m. and not just that, in fact today in the morning, just minutes before a polling began, we have seen that another allegation coming in from Aam Aadmi Party, where the party workers, the Karyakartas, are alleging that the drill began, the mock voting began ahead, in fact in their absence, and now we'll have to see that how this certainly escalates. And in fact what we're also expecting is that again there will be series of allegations by Aam Aadmi Party, because since yesterday we have been seeing that say it be the national convener, say it be the chief minister, or say it be the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party, they have been criticizing Election Commission for their conduct, and not just that, but they have been also saying that India is a democratic country, and in fact have been leveling serious allegations particularly and categorically against Rajiv Kumar, and have been saying that he will be remembered for the kind of work that he has been doing, that he is working at the best of the BJP, were the allegations that were leveled up by Aam Aadmi Party. But certainly today we'll have to see, in fact, that what happens during voting, what kind of allegations are leveled up, and in fact if the allegations are leveled up